Hello guys, this is Prime Concept once again. We have another problem to analyze, and this is under gases, right? Gas law, general gas equation. And we have an automobile tire has a volume of this. So the initial volume, which I'm going to call V1, is 1.64 times 10 to the power minus 2 meter cube and contains air at a gauge pressure. So our initial pressure P1 is 165 kilopascal. When the temperature is this, so the initial temperature also T1 is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Of course, you know you won't be using this. You have to convert to the SI unit by adding 273. So our T1 is going to be 273 plus 0, which is still 273. And they said, what is the gauge pressure of the air in the tires when its temperature rises to 27 degrees? So T2 is going to be 27 plus 273, right? So that this becomes 300, okay? This is 30, like 300 Kelvin, right? Now, and its volume increases. So our V2 is 1.67 times 10 to the power minus 2 meter cube. So this is what we have. We want to find the new pressure, P2. So they said, what would the gauge pressure be? So let me quickly rub this so that we can solve the problem. So using recalling, we have P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. So we're trying to find P2. So P2 is going to be P1 V1 T2 all divided by T1 V2. So if I use this formula, I would have my P1 to be 165 times my V1, which is going to be 1.64 times 10 to the power minus 2 times my T2. My T2 is 300, all divided by my T1, which is 273 times my V2, which is 1.67 times 10 to the power minus 2. So that if I multiply out, I would have 165 times 1.64 times 300 divided by 273 divided by 1.67. So I answer my P2 is going to be 1